April 16th. About 6:45. We hauled quite a few loads over to Old Dutch yesterday. I didn't film any of that though. It was a busy day. So this bin was filled up to here. And now it's back to there. So we're gonna get this truck started. It's loaded with a wash load, and we left the trailer there overnight to just slowly run off, so they didn't run out of potatoes. And so yeah, we're gonna take this over, and I'm gonna take Scott with me, and then he can bring his trailer back, and then I'll unload this, come back for my trailer, which they'll be loading. Yeah, this is all we got left. So we got the straight truck unloaded, and Scott took his trailer back, and then he came back with the truck that I drive and the trailer, and then I switched with him, and he took the straight truck home, and now I'm unloading the trailer, and they're home loading his trailer now. So another farmer's coming with the next load, so we gotta wait a little while after this one for the next load to come over. Anyway, it's getting a little crowded over here. That's right about in line with the scales where I gotta back up. Oh well. Production's held up. There's got a bunch of different bins in here, and the conveyor, when the one bin gets full, shuts this truck off with the little eye down in here that looks across. But it also shuts this conveyor off, shuts the truck off while it's switching bins, and then all of a sudden this will start back up again. Well, we made her home. Boys, they got Scott's trailer loaded. It's parked over there on the other side of mine. Now they're loading straight truck. David's outside running the bin piler. Hey! Finally got this running. It was froze up pretty good, but we dug her out and got her opened up, so she's running now. Well, thought we were done for the day. We had this trailer loaded. This is my truck, and a straight truck loaded, and they said they didn't want any more, but just got the text. They want another trailer load. Awesome. So it's like, I don't know if it'd be 2 o'clock yet or not. Right on the money. And so yeah, we're gonna head over. We're gonna let this pump up a little bit, and then we're gonna take this load over. This is my last cup. but it still has caffeine in it, so I'm gonna drink it. Back over at Old Dutch. Unloading again. This truck can take anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour to unload, depending on how fast that's running. But I'll fast forward it for you guys. It is 3:30 and we're heading back to the farm. Well, made her home. Dad and Scott are just over there, so we're gonna figure out what's going on here next. Boys got me a coffee. Filling this hole back in where we had to dig the culvert up. It was crows bad. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish loading up this truck. This is for tomorrow morning. We'll rack this first thing. We almost have this bin gone. They're gonna clean us up tomorrow. Just thanks for watching again, like I said, and make sure if you like my content, leave a like and subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments, and yeah, keep on watching. Stay tuned for some more exciting stuff.